So our first audience that we're going to bring in are consumers. So these are people that are in the market looking for outdoor cooking, looking for grills, and have, of course, an array of brands to think about. We want them to focus in on Fire Magic and why they should consider Fire Magic. So my first question for you on behalf of this audience of consumers is, what should shoppers look for when comparing Fire Magic to other brands?
That's a great question. I think we kind of stand out with the answer as well. Um, the Fire Magic was started in 1937 as basically a charcoal grill kit that you could build into a brick enclosure. We are an LA based company, so there were a lot of the homes in Pasadena and Altadena and these areas that a lot of people may recognize. And we developed this kit based out of cast iron and other steels, and that eventually evolved into what we have today, which is probably one of the most sophisticated gas grill systems in the U.S. or available in the U.S. So longevity is a big thing that we like to focus on. The fact is that the premium grill business didn't really have a lot of participation until late 80s, early 90s, just to start with. And then in the early 2000s is it when it really kind of kicked off. So we go back to 1937. We have so much experience in outdoor cooking. And we're not an appliance manufacturer that happened to get into it. Our roots are in manufacturing of premium outdoor products, and in particular cooking as well as heating products with some of our other brands. So I think that what a consumer should really look for is a little peace of mind in knowing that we've been around for 88 years, and we actually have products that fit the same opening today that products did 40 years ago. So the ability to get parts, the ability to have that same cutout for that replacement makes it really simple for the consumer.
That's a great point. And longevity is often kind of undersold on the floor. But it's a great point for consumers especially for appliances that are outside. So I live in Florida, so there's a ton of outdoor kitchens in the houses around me and whatnot. And I see
Right.
a lot of them, and I go to people's homes, and after a year, not even, the stainless steel is pitted. It's not quite operating the way it used to when it was first installed. So longevity as a concern for outdoor appliances is huge. And that should be one that should often float to the top when we're talking about
Right.
your appliances on the floor.
The other
So
the other
that
thing
actually,
oh, I'm sorry.
oh, keep
Uh,
going. No, keep going.
Well, the other thing that I was just going to mention is we're a made in the USA company, which especially right now with the business climate the way it is, that's a big deal. Many of our manufacturers over the years have gone offshore in order to save on costs to get their costs down. We've stuck through here. We have employees that have been with the company as long as 50 years that actually working in the factory today after being here for 50 years. So very, very proud of that part of the heritage as well.
That's excellent, and what a great company that you moved on to in the back nine of your appliance career.
Right.
So another question for these consumers is, grilling and outdoor cooking has a lot of different pain points for customers. So besides longevity, what's another pain point that Fire Magic really takes care of for customers?
Right. So igniters seem to be the biggest pain point for any customer in a premium grill. So warranty is part of that. We have the longest standard warranty in the industry. We do use a glow plug type hot surface lighting system, and it's very reliable. The main thing is though that you have parts available for a product after long periods of time, and that is constant. Why most people that spend a large amount of money on an outdoor kitchen, in particular on the grill, they don't want to have to replace it in 2 years or 5 years when a part may fail. So, but being able to have access to the parts, having people that you can call at the factory, our tech support line, that we have people that have been here for 20 and 30 years in that department. So they understand the product and they can help that customer through that pain point.
So your tech support line is not outsourced; they're RH
No,
Peterson
no.
employees.
Yep. They're all right here. They sit right across from my office. So I hear them talking to customers all day, every day.
So the thought of buying from a company that their tech support is trained and employees of that company, that's huge too. That takes longevity to the next step, knowing that if there is an issue, someone's on the other side of the phone that can understand and help me.
Right.
So that's fantastic. Those are some really huge reasons for customers to, keep Fire Magic on top of their list as they are considering their outdoor kitchen. So really great feedback on that, Dirk.